Okay, let's make update blog. Well, first day in Manila. So Sam is back. So far he's okay. No, my dog. So anyway, so much disasters has had happened in Subic, Olonga po nagkasakit si Samu, tapos ginugulo ko ng DCG, ng family ko, ah, tapos ang daming ka ano pa, nagpa-doktor, pinadoktor ko pa yung aso ko, nanliloko pa ako ng vet, a lot of things, Hindi ko na isa-isin yung mga bad luck doon, no? Then, of course, namili pa ako for my resort kasi ongoing yung aming renovation for preparation for 2027. Okay? Like I predicted, paninindigan ko yon, 2027 will be a great year for the Philippines because we'll have a new leader by the end of the year. Okay, that's my prediction. Okay? Marami na ako prediction naging tama. Hindi nyo lang probably nababasa. If you go back to my December postings or blog, I told you what's going to happen in 2027. I told you it's going to be a hard year. It's going to be a lot of turbulence, um, global war, and yun nga, no? Natural disasters. Well, hindi ko na mahinulaan yun kasi talaga naman nangyayari yun. Sa mga manghuhula dyan, pag sinabi mong there will be an earthquake in the next coming years, po talaga, how many earthquakes do we have? 500 around the world a day. Okay. Anyway, so let's not talk about it. I just want to share with you what I feel sa mga nangyayari. No? I think it's very important, no, to share what you feel, what you know, um, to the public. I might not have a close friend to talk to. Actually, wala na sila. I mean, wala talaga. I mean, kung meron man, ang layo, something like that. So, and then we don't align anymore. Of course, I have my own life. I have my own struggles. I have my own lifestyle. So, how can we go out kung ako hindi na ako kumakain ng carbs? Hindi na ako kumakain ng potato chips. Hindi na ako umiinom ng Coke. So, a lot of things, no? So, in the end, uh, wala tayong magagawa. You are alone. You'll end up alone. And you will die alone. Okay? So, those are the hard facts of life. Okay? Maswerte kayo kung may partner pa kayo na nagkakasundo kayo and you make each other's happy for like 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. You're lucky if that's happening. Mahirap kasi na, hindi ko sinasabing mahirap not to be single. It's nice to be single if you know how. If you know how to live life to the fullest. Okay? So, yun yung ano doon, no? So, let's go back, no? So hopefully hindi ako maano, no? May background kasi ako eh. Siguro hindi nyo narinig. Siguro hindi naman ako makaka-copyright, no? Um, so, yun. Siguro probably the topic title for this blog is The Hard Facts of Life. Okay? Hard Facts of Life, habang naliligo ako, biglang it struck my mind. You know what? In 20 years, probably 30% of your friends will die. in Facebook. Okay? Hindi ko ini-wish yun, ha? Those are algorithmic predictions. Okay? With the current lifestyle, with the current stress, uh, a lot of things, and unhealthy habits um, that most of you. I only have what? I only have few friends here. No, I mean, I think not more than 2,000, I think, right? Kasi hindi ako accept na accept. Pag hindi ko kilala, I don't accept, no? Pag common interest, mahilig sa plaka yan. Ini-invite ko pa yon. Common interest, you know? They love music, they love arts. You know, let's talk about arts later. Happiness, let's talk about happiness later. Um, anyway, um, of course, okay, hard facts of life, yeah. Probably 30% of you will die. Sabihin ko na, yung percentage, 60% will die of you from cancer. Then probably 30% of you will die from cardiovascular disease. And the other 10% is either accident, diabetic, kidney failure, or liver cirrhosis. Um, lahat yan pwedeng agapan, but I don't think so you will listen to me. I don't think so you will even PM me. How can I live longer? How can I take care of my pancreas? Remember, pancreatic cancer only lasts for 6 months. You are awake. You are wide healthy now. You can run. You can go dancing. You can go to the club and drink. And in 6 months, you're dead. That's how fast pancreatic cancer is to the body. Um, Cancer is a big topic. Probably I'll blog about it. Ang dami ko na utang sa inyo. I'll blog about cancer and cures, the new approach towards cancer. Ang dami. Okay? And matataka kayo, there's one there's one medicine na ang cost ay ₱2 lang per tablet. And they are now doing research that it can cure cancer. Okay? Kaya ₱2 yun kasi it's generic. They cannot brand it anymore. That's why they're not promoting it. But I will blog to you and I will show you how it works. Okay? To, prevent or block cancer. Not really block, but slow it down, the production of the cancer cells. I will also explain to you paano nagkakaroon tayo ng cancer cells. Okay? Medyo malalim, but you have to understand. I'll explain it in a simple layman term. Sana nga may blackboard ako. Wala akong blackboard eh. Yung ito, drawing ko sa inyo. Ito yung cell. Pag nag-divide yan, ito po yung nangyayari. So, I cannot, no? Wala akong whiteboard. May whiteboard ako sa bodega, pero wala naman ako stats. Ako papatong dito. Lahat dito puno ng plaka. Anyway, so hard facts of life, yeah. A lot of us, including me, a lot of us will die in the next 20 years. Since hindi dahil bata pa kayo, most of you, karamihan sa inyo matanda na, my age or older than me. Some are like 10 years younger or 15 years younger. Probably if you're 50 now, 20 years from now, you'll be fucking 70. Diba? If you're 55, you'll be 75. And if you don't behave and if you don't do a series of anti-aging rituals and holistic lifestyle, then you will not last. Okay, ito sabihin ko siya. Pag kumakain kayo ng chippy or potato chips na nakabalot sa supermarket, okay, or yung Nova, whatever, you will not live more than 75. Trust me. Trust me on that one. You will not live more than 75. If you're overweight, probably if you're obese, weighing 200 pounds or more, then your chances of uh, life is around probably the most is 75. Between 65 to 75, then atakihin na kayo na either diabetes or liver failure or uh, cardiovascular or even cancer, no? So yon. Um, the point is, alam mo, yung para bang I cannot even talk to somebody regarding these matters. That is so pathetic, ironic, name it, funny. Magkakamatayan left and right. My dogs, my friends, my relatives, you know, I fucking know how to live longer. But the fact is, no one listens to me. No one even asks for my help. Minapagaling na ako sa cancer eh. Nabuhay ko siya, stage 3, breast. Pinunta ko yung lifestyle niya. Eh tama-tama may sauna. May sauna dun sa building niya. Sabi ko, mag-sauna ka everyday. That will help you. Nabuhay. You know? Anyway, um, yun, these are the hard, yeah, the topic is the hard facts of life. And then, hard facts of life is, we have a corrupt government. We have a corrupt politicians. We have a corrupt multinational. We have corrupt corporations. We have a corrupt oligarchs. Naggusto lahat kayong pigain sa huling sentimo nyo. Yun ang gusto nila. Mataksan kayo hanggang you bleed to death. Na nagtatrabaho ka na lang para sa kanya. Para kayo matrix. Baterya lang kayo sa kanila. And it's sad. Because each one of us, even a dog, even a cat, has a life of its own, which should be treated with respect, dignity, and chances, and freedom. You know, that's my philosophy. Hindi ka pwede mang alipin na walang kapalit. Kung mang alipinin mo man yan, bayaran mo ng husto, payamanin mo yung pamilya. Okay? Pero not to the point na hindi mo na patutulugin. That's stupidity. That's stupidity management. Okay? So, yeah, no? Pinapalampas ko na lang yung mga... Although, of course, I monitor it. I monitor like Trump. I monitor like, the rally in EDSA. I monitor the news. And, I monitor some of the earthquakes, Um, yung nanalo yata sa Miss Grand International sa Venezuela namatay sa recent earthquake, no? Um, Sad. Let's pray for her, no? So, you cannot predict life. Anytime this building might fall where I'm at. I'm living on the first, second floor, or you might be hit by a car or, freaking accidents. But the chances are very slim in terms of accident deaths, no? Like plane crash, um, all those things. It's a lot, no? Anyway, so yeah, the mga hard facts of life. You need to face that because it's a cycle. That's part of the cycle of life. You are born, you will live, and you will die. Yun lang. You have to accept it. You have to accept it. And you need to survive. You by living, you have to survive. And that's work. You work. From the time you were born, you are working because you need to cry in order for your mama to give you breast milk or food. Okay? You have to beg. Okay? You have to act. Inarte pa yung baby. Yeah, that's the hard facts of life. We work all the time. So how do we get away with it? Okay, we get away with it with happiness, internal happiness. So you need to love what you do. So you don't need to work because you love what you're doing and you're earning money. Okay? So that's what I'm doing. I sell my music. Hindi naman ako yayaman dyan, but I love it. When people buy my records, which I know is great, which ang in-order ko naman lahat yung alam kong papatugtugin ko rin. And most of my collection. Okay? So that's happiness. Clean happiness. Okay? What are the clean happiness na habang nakatira ka sa mundo para naman pag namatay ka yung para bang sabi mo sa Diyos, "Uy, sumaya naman ako nung tumira ako sa earth." 'Di ba? Pag nasa deathbed ka na, 'di ba don't you wish putang ina yung pera mo, huwag mo na pakialaman yun. Yung parang iiwan mo na yan. 'Di ba? Pag binili mo sa sige, hati-hati na kayo dyan, sa inyo na yan. Eh, iba namamatay na, binibilang pa yung brilyante, ilan yung suot niya, 'di ba? Si Evita. That's stupid. I mean, alam mo, lu- being a lunatic and stupid is almost identical. Hey Google, what's the meaning of lunatic?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Hey Google, what is the meaning of lunatic?
Clinically insane. On the website vocabulary.com, they say, a lunatic is someone who is either clinically insane or just acting really crazy.
Clinically insane. So that is a part of being stupid as well. Kasi clinically meaning, how do we get clinically stupid? It's because of the food you eat. Walang oxygen yung blood. Hindi kayo malalim mag-isip. Ang kapaligid nyo, puros bobo. Okay? You need to surround yourself with spiritual people who can give you wisdom. Hindi yung mga stupid na nagda-drugs, na may bisyo up to now, who cannot control themselves. Okay? Alam mo, hindi masama magbisyo ka. From time to time. Gusto mong ganito, uminom ka from time to time, pwede. Ang sinasabi ko is you cannot control it anymore. Kailangan magyosi ka everyday, kailangan may vape ka, kailangan umiinom ka tuwing Friday, Saturday night, kailangan nag-ecstasy ka, kailangan etc. 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 Those are addiction, or you have to gamble, or well, sex different, no? Sex is a healthy happiness, but please do it the right way by having a monogamous partner kung kaya. Alam ko mahirap dahil magsasawa ka doon sa partner mo. Okay? Masturbation is clean. Masturbation is the best remedy for sex, but you need sex to keep you healthy. You need sex to make your body alive and well. Okay, without it, your body will start to die. The blood will stop flowing through your penis, and your body will stop producing sperm and seminal fluids from your testes. Okay? So, you need to remember that. So, kahit 70 ka, 75, you need to be sexually aroused and you need to masturbate. Kung wala ka na, siyempre wala na papatol sa'yo, matanda ka na, di ba? Ano ito, magbabayad ka. Magbabayad ka, pero pinandidirian ka. You would rather masturbate. Pag matanda ka na, wag ka na makipag-sex sa bata. Mandidiri lang sa'yo yun. Let's be honest here. Putangina, who will love you at 75? Who will love you at 80? That's baloney if somebody will love you for who you are. Oh, fuck that. You know, sex is physical. It's not fucking love. Iba yung love. Okay? Pero bago mag-love, it's physical. Titignan mo muna itsura. Bungi ba yan? May tartar ba yung ngipin? Yung mukha niya mukhang deformed. Mukhang yung mukhang hindi mo maipinta dahil kung ano ng mga pinagawa sa mukha. Yung lips niya nakagano na. Or may kilay na tato. Oh, no offense Alam ko a lot of you may ganon. Okay? I'm sorry. Please stop it. Especially magpapatato ka ng kilay. I would rather lose my kilay na hindi na tumubuya or namumute rather than magpatato ako. I cannot. Nagmumukha kayong tanga, especially mga lalaki. Nagmumukha kayong murang kamatis. Nawawala yung respect. Di ba? Meron kayong ganon, meron kayong tatong kilay, tas may wig kayo. My God. Accept aging. Kung wala ka ng hair, di magpakalbo ka, di ba? Then, yung kilay mo, ay hitin mo na rin. Kung wala na talaga. Imbis na maggaganong-ganong ka. Or magpatato, mukha kang tanga nun. No offense doon sa mga ibang politicians. No, just kidding. Anyway, you know what? Nagbabari naman ng the meaning of beauty depends on the person. It's being objective, it's subjective and relative. Okay? Yung beauty, no? Sa iba maganda yan, sa iba pangit yan. So, sa akin, iba yon. That's my own perspective. I'm not saying that what I said was the Bible. Okay? So, let's go back to happiness. What other kinds of happiness are safe and can make you young and energetic? Because you need happiness para yung serotonin gumana sa body mo. You need it. Okay, music. Music, it hypnotizes you. Your brain during this is not mine. May study pag nag-ano ka sa music and you're a music lover, yung brain and left and right brain mo naggaganon. Nagsisynthesis. Okay, alam mo ba pati yung vibrations na may effect sa cells natin? Napag-aralan na yon. Yung ginagawa ng mga Buddhist, it has an effect. Yung now I do it kasi energy, kailangan ganyan kamay mo while you meditate. Para yung energy bounces back. Then, it activates the mitochondria. Okay? Pati yung mga bell. Meron akong bell Dali. Binili ko. Gagano mo yan. Gagano mo yan sa friend mo o sarili mo. The humming. It goes inside your cells. Yan. Ayaw tumigil, no? Kita mo, mayroon pa rin vibration, no? This is only cheap. I think I bought it in Lazada. Stainless yan. So, pati ito. Then may red light ako, may injection ako ng peptides, I take my vitamins, I do my squats, I do my sauna, I do my cold plunge, I do my walking and exercise, which I try to. Medyo hindi ako lang nagwe-weights, pero may muscle pa rin ako. Wala akong muscle loss, wala akong muscle loss. See? Pero hindi ako nagbubuhat. Because I have my hormones, my testosterone, which keeps you young, energetic, and yung muscles mo nagpo-form pa rin. Lumita nga yung tiyan ko rin ayoko magubad. So, yun, no? So, happiness is, you need to look for it because some of you might not be able to connect to music. And I think there's a problem if you don't appreciate music. Meaning to say your brain is not interacting anymore with the left and right. Because ang genius, kailangan nagko-communicate yung left and right hemisphere ng brain. Okay? So most artists like sila Picasso, sila Sino ba sa Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Tatawa ako sa ano ba yon? Ano ba yung game na yun? Famous game? Yung famous game, yung kay Ding Dong Dantes, yung name the top 5, ano, name the top 5, sabi pa naman ito. Kasi meron sa YouTube, the funniest, funniest, so what the fuck show is that? Anyway, sabi, name top 5, name top 5 of things you wanna get from Leonardo DiCaprio. So may sumagot, I wanna get his hands so para mahawakan. I want his Grammy, Oscar award, you know. And then may isa nagsagot, I want to have the Mona Lisa. Tawan-tawa siya. Anyway, corny, no? Si Harvey. Anyway, yun. So, ang haba na naman, ano? Ang dami ko salita. No? I can never run out of things to say. Trust me, I can talk here for 12 hours. Paramihan ng contents, I will talk to you non-stop. Pinipigilan ko pa yung sarili ko sa ibang topic to sideway, no? So we're focusing on, life and dying and, prepare for 2027. It will be a great year for the Philippines. I trust me on that one. That's why we're opening up a company. I'm opening up a company left and right. Okay? In for 2027. The groundworks are being prepared now. So I can't elaborate on that. That's a big topic. Anyway. So, what else? Please, take care of your health. Take care of your brain. Dalawa yan. If you have a good health, then you have a good brain. Okay? Minsan, yung iba tao nagsasabi sa akin, ano ba? Ang dami mong iniisip, ang dami mong ginagawa. Yung para bang, next question please. Saan mo kinukuha yung energy mo? Correct? Diba? Saan mo kinukuha yung energy mo? Tanungin naman nyo ako doon. Hindi sa pinili ko gustong gawin, maraming gawin. No. I have so much energy to spare. Physically, mentally. And I need to release it. If not, mabubulok yan. Okay, mabubulok inside my body. So I need to release it. I need to think. I'm hungry for problems. I'm hungry to make solutions. I'm hungry, thirsty for knowledge. Even at my age, I don't know. Kaya sinabi ko, I asked one of my closest friend, sabi ko, do you think abnormal na ako o may cancer ako sa brain? Kasi di ba yung a good mind, yung genius, kaya pala siya naging genius kasi meron na siya tumor. So sabi ko, baka may tumor na ako sa brain. Kaya isip ako, ay yung very wild yung imagination ko. So, anyway, I won't let this pass 30 minutes. It's 28 minutes and 35 seconds running. So, I want to say goodbye. And I promise you, my next vlog will be why do humans start to die at the age of 25 to 33. So, yan. Utang ko sa inyo yan. And then cancer. Okay? I don't want to talk about politics. Okay, I don't want to talk about politics. Kasi hindi ako kikita dyan, hindi ako yayaman dyan. Politics is full of stupid people who talks a lot. Okay? That's it. My next live, yung sa inyo, my next live for Miko's Vinyl anniversary sale will be on July 7. That will be next Tuesday. Tama ba? This coming Tuesday. No, it's not. Yeah, July 7. We'll start at 4 p.m. and then probably end up like 12 kasi ang dami naming stocks nakala-dispose. Plaka, CD, yan. Ang dami, oh. Yan. I'll give you samples. Ano lang, a preview, at random. T-Square, Twilight in the Upper East, Tony Braxton, this is Secrets album. Yan, ganda. Bong Josh Groban. Ito yung, nabili ko sa Japan. Ito yung, may magaganda siya kanta rito. Josh Groban album. Deodato, Best of Deodato, 2 CDs. Andito yung Forever For You. Ito, ayoko talaga ibenta. Best of David Benoit. Kahit sa Discogs, wala ka nang mabibili nito. I'm selling this for 1,800. Yung bentang ayoko benta. Dido. Yeah, I have this. Dito yung thank you. Then dito yung Sting. Alanis. May plaka ako nito. Sealed, dalawa. Pero parang na-sold out na. Basement Jocks. At kung alam niyo yung Basement Jocks. My Prerogative. Britney Spears, the best. Undercover. And dito yung Never Let Her Slip Away. This is an album. Dito yung How Long. And dito rin yung I Wanna Be With You for the Rest of My Life. Then I have the Blue Note Sealed Triple Album. The Best of Blue Notes. Alam naman yung Blue Notes, bahalang plaka. Alam niyo ba isang plaka ng Blue Note is already like 3,000? Use hindi sealed. Basta may tatak na Blue Note yan, mahal yan. Kung kaya meron kayong mga plaka, benta nyo sa akin. I buy it. Okay? Yung mga nakatambak lang dyan, wag naman yung mga Ray Conniff, hindi ko na bibili niyan. Ray Conniff, mga James Last, saka mga classicals. I have, marami na. So, sana, please, follow me on Miko's Vinyl. Ito, ang ganda rin, oh. Alison Cross. Baby, that I found you. Ako lang nagbenta ng plaka, no? Galing sa Australia. Sold out. Yeah, music makes me happy. So that's it. Good night for it's a Thursday night. I'm supposed to go to the dance studio swing night, pero sabi ko, well, I'm leaving for Baguio. I'm gonna be there for the weekend because I have a business meeting again for the solar project and for the real estate. So I'll be in Baguio this weekend. Then I'll be, we'll be preparing for the anniversary sale. Okay? That's it. Thank you.